have a computer stand that I've taken apart here. I want to save some of the outlines as files on my computer so I can cut them out. Use a logic trace system, just tracing around with a pen stylus. This is one of the 2D parts that I can trace. Just take the pen and trace all the way around. Finish the first part. I'm going to click stop and start in the software. I'm now going to trace the second part. Again, just take the pen stylus all the way around the part. You'll notice that I'm using a MacBook Pro. Our software runs on either the Mac with a Mac chip, M chip, or on a Windows computer. I'm now going to click stop and start again. And I'm going to do this inside hole. I've got those 2D parts. They're great. I'm going to save them as DXF files. And in a future video, I will show you how to digitize some of the other parts of the stand.